What's up, guys? C10 Lalo here. You already know we're here at Dallas. We're gonna pick up some rims for the truck, you know. And I know I haven't uploaded in a long time. You know, there's not really that much content, but I found some. We're gonna get some racing wheels for the C10. You know, we're gonna get some Hoosiers, and then later we're gonna put the rims on the Mustang and go take it to go get a wash, and then just cruise in it. And that'd be the whole video basically. And I'm here with my compa GM Flaco, you know.
What's up, guys? GM Flaco.
Go subscribe to his YouTube, you know, he's coming up too. And yeah, I guess I'll record when the wheels come. Alright guys, we just got the tires there in the back though. You know, I didn't want to record because I didn't want to for him to be uncomfortable and shit. But I'll show you the wheels once we get back to the house. Yeah. Guys, and just like that, the Mustang is ready. Check it. I don't know what happened right here, but it used to look like more lifted. So yeah, guys, let's take it to town. Let's see what's up. C10.
Alright, guys, now we're gonna be washing. Now we're gonna be washing the car, guys. You know, we're here at Scrubby School. You know, we're gonna wash it. Right, I do this first and then I rinse it. Cause if you rinse it first, it's gonna scratch up. It might not look like it's scratched up, but it'll scratch up. Trust me.
Real shiny. And the interior don't need that much work, you know. They don't have an audio system, so you know we put a bocina from Walmart in there. So now, guys, I don't dry it, but I do drive it. So that's how we're gonna dry it. Boom. So now with the Mustang, guys, I'm gonna get my quarters and we're gonna get ready to roll out. Let's get it. I'm gonna take a photo real quick of the Mustang. Alright guys, it's you know, second part of the video, you know. So today it's the next day and we're gonna go put some air on the tires and we're gonna switch them on the truck and we're gonna go on a cruise, you know. It's a sunny day, so it's not gonna be wet or anything, so that's good, because if you drop those when it rains, you're gonna spin and stuff. So yeah, it's good. And we're just gonna see how that looks like on the truck. And yeah, let's get it. Got the Jeep on the truck. And we got the tires right there. We're gonna put the air in them. Let's turn this baby on. Never mind. I think it's dead. I think I left the keys on it. I think I left it on overnight. So, see, it's not starting. Well, we're gonna pop it real quick. We're gonna put some Charlie cables. The 350 small block needs a polish in here because when it was transmission was getting fixed, they needed it was just standing there. So yeah, 350. All right, let me move the Jeep. All right, let's try to turn it on. Still nothing, guys. Alright guys, I know y'all didn't get to see the wheels yesterday. Something happened to the camera and it wouldn't record. But here they are. These are the wheels we got. Hoosier for this black C10. We got 2 of them. They look nice. They're gonna look nice. I'm gonna go put air in these real quick. Let's see if the truck starts. Still don't got no battery. Interesting. Alright guys, found the problem. Is this, I'm guessing, because it's cracked. But I'm pretty sure the battery's dead, but this never gave us a problem. But I think while charging it's giving us a problem, you know. This one's good. It's just this one's cracked. So we're gonna take this off and go see if they got one at AutoZone or O'Reilly's, and yeah, we'll be back. Alright guys, we came back from O'Reilly's and we got a new one. Brand new. The other one, we just threw it to the trash, so there's really nothing to look forward to. So yeah, now we're gonna connect it right there to the headers. Alright guys, so we put the slicks back on. Well, we just put them on the first time, but they're low on air, so I'm gonna take them off and go put air in them. But that's for another video. The truck still won't turn on because it needs a new battery, but I don't want to go back to town, so that'll do for right now. Yeah guys, that's the video. Like, subscribe. If this video gets 10 likes, I'll burn out in the truck and put it on video with these slicks on. So yeah, get it to 10 likes and I'll burn out.